Hey everyone! Telegram's latest update removed the option to instantly delete your account. But don't worry, I will show you a quick workaround to get it done right away. First, open your Telegram app and head to Settings. Now tap the search icon at the top and type in delete. Then scroll down and select delete my account. Next, click on deactivation page link and you will be taken to a new page. Now enter your phone number with the country code and hit next. Now you will receive the login code, then just enter that and tap sign in. Once you are in, Telegram will ask for a reason. You can just type anything here. Then just click delete my account. So confirmation window will pop up and select yes, delete my account and you are all set. That's it. Your Telegram account is now gone. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.